The Hard Rock Hotel at Universal Orlando is one of the 3 premier hotels that is offered on property by Universal Orlando. So what benefits do you get by staying at a premier hotel? Well, you get priority seating at select restaurants throughout the resort, plus you get free unlimited express passes for everyone staying in your room. One night of stay at a premier Universal hotel will get you 2 days of unlimited express passes for the parks. While we enjoy staying at all of the hotels on Universal property, Hard Rock is definitely our favorite premier hotel. It just has a fun vibe to it. We will take you on a tour of the whole hotel in a later video, but for right now, let's take a look at one of the rooms. This is a standard room here at Hard Rock, and when you enter through the door, there's a closet, and as you can see, there is also a safe. The coffee machine takes the Keurig style of the pods, and you also have a mini fridge. Across from that is a bathroom, and it does have a vanity, a separate vanity. And in the bathroom, there's the toilet, a sink, and your shower tub. I always think it's handy when they have a separate area so you can get ready while someone else is taking a shower. And here is your bedroom portion of the room. You also have some drawer space there in between the beds, but you have your TV, and you've got 4 drawers there. And you've got a nice sitting work area. And you have a nice little lounge area. Keep watching, there's a hotel tour to come.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe. Here's another video you might like.